welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have completed the model of this old cupboard over here. So we'll be texturing it. I've already unwrapped this. So let's open Substance Painter and let's start texturing it. I have already baked this maps over here. So I have some textures with me right now, which I can use over here. So let's go into this. Let's see the materials. I have different texture set list over here. So I'll just go over here and I can just rename it as main. Let's take a wood over here. So I'll just assign one wood material on top of it. I'll just make it as 1024 for now at least. After that, so as you can see, this is again, I'll go into this. We have this different styles into it. If you want, you can add some details more over here, the fibers and everything. So again, go to the top and I can just click over here. I can just add a black mask if needed. I'll just add a generator into it. So we can add a generator, but before that I'll go into this and I can add some more wood shading over here. I can go with this wood shape. I can add something old as well. So I have some painted wood, fabric wood, wood dirty, dark wood. So let's go with this, something like this. I'll just drag and drop on top of it for the old wood over here, and I'll again take a black mask. Let's add a generator, and into that I can just go into this and I can add a metal edge over here, edge wear, so it doesn't look much over here, but you can increase or decrease this wear level if required. And onto this you have some different blending modes as well. You want to add some blending modes, you can add some blending modes over here as well. So we have this color dodge, we have soft light, we can just make it as normal. So I have this old texture, the main texture. I have added this a bit of edge wear over here on top of it. After that, let's again go over here. If you need to make it rough, I can go with the roughness as well. So you can go into this. You have some randomness as well. You can add some randomness if required. I can go down, wear contrast, tripler, blending contrast. This can be changed if needed. Again, go to the top. We do have something over here. Let's again go over here. We have something wood rough over here. I can just add a bit of wood rough on top of it, and let's add a black mask and go into this alphas. You can go into the smart mask as well. We can just take any of it. We can add it on the mask if needed. That can be done. Doesn't look much. So paint old, we can try with something different as well if needed. We can add some overlay. Yeah, looks better now. So let's again go over here for the main stuff. For the main stuff as well, we can first add the same element over here. So for the main, select this whole 3, right click, and I'll just group this layer. Let's just group this layer, right click, that's material 29, right click across texture sets and click on the material 29 over here. So we can assign that material over here as well, the same over here. Alright, now looks much better. So I have different texture sets. If you want, you can go with and make it as 1024 as well. So again, go over here again into the wood section. That's the kind of a old classic cupboard. So I'll go into this, go down, let's click on this, again click on the wood over here. So I can just click on the wood over here and let's give it as a same old look. So I want to give a old look over here as well. So if you want, you don't need any kind of a furnished kind of stuff. I wanted it to be look like old dirt. So if you want, we have something called wood rough. So it's all polished wood, so I cannot use this. If you want, you can use it. I'll take this wood ship herd old over here for this. It looks better. Alright. So I've added this kind of old stuff over here for this. So it's saving it. So I'll go into file and let's save this first. So first let's save this project. If you want, you can give some other texture as well over here. It's saving it. Yeah. So you can just go over here. Let's again go over here. So before that, I'll just make it as 1024 for now at least. You can increase it if you want to preview it. So again I'll go into this. Let's add, for example, I have another wood over here as well, so I'll just add it over here. So this is more reflective, so I'll again go over here, add a white black mask, add a generator, and again I'll add a metal edge wear over here onto this. So we can increase the edge wear if required a bit. So it's going to add that towards the edges over here wherever it is required. Looks better now. So you can see this looks better on this. So go over here. So this is also going to be a kind of a old over here. So I have a metal railing, I can use that. Not a metal railing, we can make it more of a iron, raw damaged. Let's just assign on top of it. Looks better now. So this is giving you a good effect. That's it. So I'm not going to give a rusted, this is totally okay. And go to the main. Let's just save the file once. So let's go into this and let's set it to 2048. Can set it to 2K for now and check how it looks like. Same here as well. All right. Yeah, this looks better. So now as you can see, now you get good fine details. So if you see the breakdowns of it for the main over here, so we had this one, the first, you can see we have added 2 or 3 textures. I have added some metal edge wear, All right. So let's again on this. Perfect. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed yet. If you want, you can just make it as 4K to check, but it might take some time. If you want, you can do that as well. Let's make it as 4K over here. It's going to take time. All right. So thanks for watching this tutorial.